We want to go back now to Glenn County. The jury has been seated in the trial of 3 Georgia men accused in the murder in the death of 25-year-old Ahmaud Arbery. He was shot to death in February of last year in Brunswick. And so today the jury was out of the courtroom as the judge went over several motions. He granted the state's motion preventing the defense from using THC toxicology reports. And the judge said that Arbery's mental health history will not be allowed into testimony. And I want to bring in our legal analyst, LaToya Williams-Shelton, joins us now. She's been following this case very closely. And before we talk about those motions, LaToya, I want to ask you about the late-breaking development today. So we have the jury seated. It's 12 jurors, 4 alternates. But late this afternoon, one of those jurors was dismissed. So opening statements haven't even started, and now we're down to just 3 alternates. Fill us in about what happened today.
So it seems as if that particular juror actually had some sort of medical condition which would prevent her, or I think the judge said they assume it's a she, from sitting for a long time. So it was a proper reason and a proper reason to be excused. So now we have to invite in alternate number 1. And whether we know or not whether this is going to continue to happen throughout this trial, I'm not sure, but that's the purpose of us having alternates.
So let's talk about the makeup of this jury. There's only one black person seated, and we know that this jury is mostly female. What can you take away from looking at the makeup of the jury?
I mean, honestly, not a lot. I would say here that I don't think the defense or the state got exactly what they want as far as a makeup of the jury is concerned, right? But of course, at the end of the day, again, we hope that each of these jurors will listen to the evidence, listen to the instructions provided to them, and come up with a fair and impartial verdict that provides justice in this case. I would also say, though, that as far as, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to cut you off, but as far as women are concerned, I think that that's actually a good thing for the state.
Okay, very interesting. So today, the judge went over a lot of the motions filed by both the defense and the state. And one of those motions was filed by the defense. It was a motion to limit the playing of a portion of one of the officer's body camera videos showing Ahmaud Arbery's body, arguing that it was inflammatory and irrelevant. How did the judge rule on that motion, and what impact could that have?
So the judge denied the defense's motion in limine on this particular issue, which means the state will be able to show that particular part of the body camera footage. I think this is a great win for the state on today. They said that it was inflammatory because this is going to actually show Ahmaud Arbery laying on the ground, and this is something that the jury can see, blood, all these other things. But I think that this is a huge win for the state because what she used was, the verbiage that she used was, this is real. This is actually what happened, and this is going to show the jury the result of someone shooting someone with a shotgun.
And so opening statements are expected to begin tomorrow morning. What can we expect?
Well, again, you can expect for everyone to essentially be stating their theory of the case. I heard Attorney Goff today say, you know what, I guess tomorrow I'll understand exactly what the state's theory of the case is. And that's exactly what opening statements are for. Opening statements are going to go like a story. They're going to tell you the theory of the case. They're going to tell you what evidence that you're going to hear during the course of the trial that's going to make you want to deliver that guilty verdict as far as the state is concerned, or not guilty verdict as far as the defense is concerned.
We know you will be watching closely, as will we. LaToya Williams-Shelton, thank you so much for your analysis, and we will be talking with you again tomorrow to get your reaction to those opening statements, which are expected to start in the morning. Thank you.